If you have issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly on Motorola Moto G87, let me show you what you can do to try to fix your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here, we're gonna go to connected devices, and of course over here you should be able to try to find your Bluetooth device. Now in case you had your Bluetooth device connected before, but now it doesn't work properly, what you can do is you can, for example, go to connection preferences, then over here choose Bluetooth. You want to turn off your Bluetooth device, turn off Bluetooth, then turn Bluetooth back on and turn your Bluetooth device back on as well. This can be also helpful in case your Bluetooth device cannot be found on the list of new devices over here. So in both cases, you can of course try to turn off and turn Bluetooth back on your phone in order to see if that helps. And you can go to pair new device in order to try to find your Bluetooth device. Now in case you still cannot use your Bluetooth device, now let's focus on the case where your Bluetooth device has been connected in the past, but now it doesn't work. So in that case, you can just tap on the setting here, and you want to completely forget the device, whether it is at the top or in saved devices. Then you want to turn off your Bluetooth device. Then we're gonna turn it back on and go to the pair new device, and if possible, enable the pairing mode on your Bluetooth device. If not, then make sure that your Bluetooth device is not connected to any other device. And then on this list of available devices, you should be able to find your Bluetooth device. So you can select it over here and then confirm that you want to pair. If it still doesn't work, what you might want to do is you might want to perform hard reset or factory reset of your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device because every Bluetooth device has its own way of factory resetting or hard resetting. So you should find your manual, for example, of that device and try to find the instruction on how to do that, or you can try to find a guide. And then once the hard reset is done of your Bluetooth device, try to, of course, pair it one more time on your Motorola Moto G87. What you can also do is you can go back to settings over here, then we're gonna scroll down and go to system. Then in system settings, open the reset options, and then here we have reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So you want to go over here and confirm that you want to do that. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these two things, so if you decide to reset these settings, then in that case, both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, of course, are going to be erased. So you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi again, or all your Wi-Fi networks actually, and you will have to pair all your Bluetooth devices one more time. So this means that after the reset, go back to Bluetooth settings over here and try to pair your Bluetooth device once again. And hopefully this time it is going to work. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.